What's up guys, this is Elangovan from Elangovan Digital Marketing. Yesterday we saw how to change HTTP to HTTPS. So it is very simple video, I think you follow the steps. Now we can check that our site is very secured and it is secured by Cloudflare. This is the certificate that my website is now configured with the Cloudflare SSL. Today we are going to see about what are the other things missing in my website. Already I done research for my website from SEO site checkup. I got a result for 68 for 100. This is not good. I need to increase my web score. Now I am going to rectify the problem in my website and I am going to change these the things in my website to get an SEO ranking. First of all, I do not have meta description and also there is a no description. Here is a warning and the keyword density is also not good. The meta keyword is not added. Now I'm gonna add a meta description and meta keyword in my website. So let's see the step how I am adding this meta description in my website. So before that I had in some coding that this will be added to my head section. So meta description tag and meta keyword tag and the author of the website. So I'm going to give a good SEO description for my website. So I'm going to write in proper manner. So now this the information is ready. I am going to include these tags in my website. So I am going to show you how to add this the description and the keywords in my website. If you are using HTML based website, you can add these the content in your head section. So I'm using WordPress. So I'm going to show you how to add these the content in my WordPress website. Just I'm going to copy these information and pasting in my WordPress. So for that you need to go for an editor. You can just go to dashboard. Under the option of appearance, you can find out the theme editor. Before that, we can check if our website had an description or not. So you can view a page source just by right clicking. There is a view page source. It will be redirected to another page. So here we can find out that we had only title. See here. So what I am going to do now is to include my description and keyword tag in this head section. So for that I already said that we need to go for an theme editor. So here you can find header.php. The head tag is start from here, so I am going to paste this section here. So now I am going to update my file. My file is updated successfully. So now I am going to refresh my website and view my page source. So now we can find that we had an proper tagging here. Just we can find out for a description and description keywords. So we can find out meta. So now we can find out the information in our website which are added already. So here, see here we can see that meta description is presented. What are the content I given here, and I given a meta keyword also, and also author of the website. So all the details are we placed here. Now our website had and proper meta keywords and meta descriptions also. I hope this the video will be very useful for you to know about how to add meta description and meta keyword in your website. And we are going to correct all the problem in my website. What are the problems are listed here. So these will be covered all the sections of on page optimization. Once again, thank you for watching my video.